Thing keeps doodling with me, so I'm just gonna shut the case and I'm not gonna do anything else. So here we go. And by the way, I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna redo it in a safe community. This is really bad. Really bad. Oh. Take 50. Jesus Christ, this is terrible. Oh. God damn it, camcorder. Come on, you can do it. Okay, I'll just rock. Since you don't want to ride, you big bastard, I'll show you his boss, you fucktard. Oh God, is this a hill? Oh my fucking God. Look at the magical things you can do together. We can farm a life with two baby childrens. Let's watch TV. Okay, this is my freestyle right here. Let's watch TV. Live in harmony. Now I'm right on my bike today. Now this is a private towaway zone. Dun dun dun. This is a private towaway zone. Dun dun dun. I'm riding in the street because I don't give up. Oh my God, it's a Corvette. It's a Corvette. Look at that Corvette. Holy shit. It's a Corvette. Oh God. Oh, coming. God damn it. So soon. Okay, here we go. Being gravel. A little bit. Oh, this is impossible. Okay, I gotta get to the sidewalk. Oh, motherfucking. I'm fucking dick sucking dicks. Oh God, I gotta get to my house because I didn't lock the door. Oh God. And if I lock the door, but I have a key to get in. They don't need to be over there right now. Okay, here we go. Holy pop cakes and vaginas. We made it! Now let's rest. Rest for today. Rest for yesterday. Waffles and pancakes. Savory bite. Num 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 num. Oh fucking God. I don't think I can take it anymore. Oh God. God damn it! Oh baby, you're not cracked. Oh, okay, I'll see you guys in the bright.